Whoa, it's at a legit 45 degrees right now. Whoa, whoa, it is zipping. All right, and this is one of my favorite presets. All right, guys, I'm up at a park here in Songdo, Incheon, South Korea with my Neo 2, and I'm gonna try some presets for the first time with my Neo 2. We do have quite a bit of wind to contend with. I know you probably can't tell, but let's see how this goes. All right, guys, here we go.
20 meters. Dronie. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, she's pretty windy. Come on, Neo 2. This is on rise. Whoa, you were way out there. Way out there. All right. Fighting the wind. She's at a pretty good tilt. Okay, and here you come back in. How close are you gonna come to me? Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay, well done, Neo. All right, this should be interesting. Here's circle at 20 meters.
20 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Let's see what happens here. 20 meters is pretty far out. Oh, look at the fight in that wind. Woo! Okay, here we go. Watch where she gets the wind behind her. She is gonna pick up speed. Whoa, it is zipping. It is zipping. You guys, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but I sure can. Whoa, it's at a legit 45 degrees right now. Into the wind now, into the wind, into the wind. Okay, let's see how far you come into me. Sometimes the Neo 1 wouldn't come in right within arm's reach and I had to get out my phone, but so far the Neo 2 seems to come right back in where it was launched from. I think that's pretty much spot on, actually. All right, and this is one of my favorite presets, the Boomerang at 20 meters. Ooh, the wind is picking up. Come on, Neo.
Boomerang. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! It is pretty gusty, guys. Let's hope the birds stay away from this. Usually there's a lot of seagulls here. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, there you go. It's starting to move. Going up, going up, going up. Whoa, you are picking up speed with this wind. I can't even see you on phone. Yeah, I totally lost you on my phone, but I think I got you in frame or somewhere up there. Okay, coming back down. Yeah, I think just the Boomerang looks one of the best ones on camera. The rocket is just kind of boring, but I like this one here. Okay, Neil, you're coming back into me. I can start to see you on my phone now. You come back to where I can reach you. Yeah, I can reach you there. I like that. Whoa, does that ever work well? It was way better than Neo 1. All right, and here's rocket at 20 meters. Circle, I believe.
20 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, rocket is one of the more boring settings that I don't really use a lot. It's because I think it just goes up. And there you go, 20 meters. 20 meters, seeing that I'm already a few stories up is pretty high. Yeah, I can't even see it on my phone anymore. But with my eyes, I can. Yeah. Gonna rotate around, I guess. Coming back down already. To its original launching spot. Put my hand out. There you go, there you go, there you go. Right down to my hand. Wow, palm landing, it's so much better with the Neo 2. Consistent every time. Yeah, I want to try the dolly zoom, but for some reason it's not working. It also says that I'm having some Wi-Fi interference, which I've never seen that message before. So I'm going to go down there and see if this works any better. All right, down here it seems to be working. I was up there. This is the Dolly zoom on wide. First time.
Wide. Dolly zoom. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. It's really windy. Maybe this will mess it up. I'm not sure.
Here we are with our first caller.
So what about you guys? If you have a Neo, are you a fan of the presets? And if you don't have a Neo, what's your favorite preset? Are you a fan of the Boomerang like I am? And if you guys want to give me a pat on the back for putting this video together for you guys, you can give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, as it would really push my little channel. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.